Hello, this is a test video of H1L handheld drone locator. It is one of the lightest and the most portable drone detection devices in the world. As you can see from behind my back, we are in a typical urban environment, and today's temperature is somewhere approximately 20 degrees and it's sunny. What this device can do is to detect and locate typical commercial drones such as DJI series, as well as location of controllers. Now, as you can see, we already have one DJI Mini 4 Pro at my side, and it is already on. As you can see from the device's user interface, we already have a detection result. As you can see from here, we have a DJI Mini 4 Pro with the serial number and its drone coordinates, latitude, longitude, as well as controller coordinates and latitude, longitude are already displayed here. You can also see the distance as well as the azimuth of the drone and the pilot to the device. Now I'm good. You may also see some basic information of the flight, and you can also see this item route here, which is the functionality of navigation for the user to locate the pilot. Now I'm going to ask my colleague to let this DJI Mini 4 to take off. Now the Mini 4 is in the sky. As you can see, two logos from the interface. One is shaped like a controller, which indicates the location of the controller. The other shaped like a drone, which indicates the location of the drone. Now my colleague is flying the Mini 4 away from us. As you can see from the device, we can already see the flight path of the drone changing. Now currently the drone is approximately 87 meters away from us, from its taking point. As you can see, the coordinates as well as the distance of the drone is changing according to the location result. Now currently the drone is 500 meters away. Let's see if the device can detect and locate the drone further away. My colleague just changed the flight course of the drone. As you can see, the location result, the flight trajectory of the drone from the device is also changing. So currently the distance of the drone is 570 meters. Now I'm going to ask my colleague to fly the drone back. Then we can compare the flight path from this device and the flight path from the Flight app. Now my colleague is controlling the drone to fly back to its home point. Now the drone is approximately 260 meters away from the device. And we can compare the flight path from this device and the flight path from the app. This is from the app, the blue trajectory. Now the purple trajectory is from the device. As you can see, the two trajectories are highly similar. Okay, now I'm going to ask my colleague to fly another drone and we see if this device can detect and locate two drones at the same time. So the second drone my colleague is going to fly is a DJI Mavic 3. Okay, my colleague now just turned on a new drone, a Mavic 3. Now the Mavic 3 is in the sky. As you can see from the device, we have a new detection result, which is Mavic 3. It's like the first drone. It's a serial number as well as the drone coordinates and pilot coordinates already being detected and displayed on the device. Now my colleague is going to fly the DJI Mavic 3 away from us. Now the first drone is landed, so we can only see one detection result from the device. As you can see, a green line which indicates the new drone, the Mavic 3, is flying away from us. So currently the distance of the drone is approximately 278 meters. Let's see if this device can capture the drone from further away. Now the drone is approximately 222 meters, 512 meters, 570 meters. As you can see, the screen shining red, which indicates the drone is not listed in the device as a whitelist drone, which means the device has identified the drone as a non-whitelist drone. So automatically the device will send an alarm by the screen shining or a audio alarm. Now the drone is approximately 953 meters away, 1 kilometers away. So as you can see, this device under urban environment is able to detect and locate DJI drones from 1 kilometers away. Okay, my colleague is now going to change the drone's flight path to make a 90-degree turn. As you can see, the flight path from the device is also turned. Now currently the drone is 1.1 kilometer away from the device. It starts flying back. Now the drone is in the process of flying back. The current distance of the drone is somewhere around the 707 meter. We can compare the flight path captured by this device and the flight path from the drone's flight app. This is the flight path from the app, and this is the flight path located by the device. As you can see, the two flight paths are highly similar. So that's all for the live test of H1L handheld drone locator. To conclude, H1L handheld drone locator is a portable and light handset for detection and the location of typical commercial drones such as DJI series, as well as location of controllers. Stay tuned for more test video of TERJIN anti-drone products.